In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Namecheap DNS. Managing your domain name system or DNS is an important part of owning a domain. It's what helps direct traffic on the internet, ensuring your website functions correctly. Today we'll walk you through the steps of locating and managing your DNS settings on Namecheap, enabling you to make any necessary changes swiftly and effortlessly. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Namecheap website by entering namecheap.com in the address bar. Upon reaching the homepage, you will need to log into your account. Use your credentials to access your dashboard. If you've forgotten your password, Namecheap provides options to reset it and regain access seamlessly. Once you are logged in, glance toward the upper left corner of your screen. Here, close to the Contact Us button, you'll find a logo depicting two figures. This is a navigation area often overlooked. Right beside this logo, you'll see your username displayed. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu providing you with several options. From this menu, proceed to click on Dashboard. This will redirect you to a central hub where you can manage all aspects of your Namecheap account, including your domains, billing, and more. It's your gateway to a variety of important tools and resources. Within this dashboard, look for the Domain List option, usually located in the sidebar on the left-hand side. Clicking on this will present a list of all the domains you've registered with Namecheap. Scroll through to find the specific domain whose DNS settings you need to access and modify. Next to the domain name in question, you will see a Manage button. Select this to delve deeper into the management features for that particular domain. A new page with multiple tabs will open, each offering a different function for domain management. Your next stop is the Advanced DNS tab. By clicking on it, you'll enter the area where you can manage the domain's DNS records directly. Here you can view, add, modify, or even delete DNS records as per your requirements. This flexibility allows you to set up custom DNS configurations tailored exactly to your needs, be it for redirecting traffic, improving security, or optimizing site speed. Remember, making changes to your DNS settings can impact your website significantly, so proceed with caution and double check every entry before saving any modifications. It's always wise to back up your current settings just in case you need to revert back to the original configuration in the future. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to finding and managing your DNS on Namecheap. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials on domain management and more.